Morning, Internet. My mom lost her phone, so I'm going to try and fish it out of her. That sounded weird, especially with the hanger. No, I'm trying to fish it out of there. Wow. Okay, my brain is totally functioning today. Phone is at an angle I can't even freaking see. Like, it most likely fell and it hit the back, hit the wall, and then went under this way. Because that's what it did. Her phone's like right straight down there somewhere. Puppy syndrome. What? You just hear his pounding like bah, 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 every time you walk. Rawr! Ginger. I don't want to stick you in. Hey, Ringo, quit. She must have something wrong with her. New puppy syndrome, the floor. Come here. Alright. Hey, come here. Over this way. Ringo, this way. I'm trying to get you to use the door. Come here, Ringo. No. Okay, that's not what I want you to do. Oh, God, you got my nerds. What are you doing? I don't think he knows. He's like, I don't know if I like this. Alright. No, Annie. He's trying to figure out how to get up. Okay, without eating anything. Go up! I said up, not down. You're just sniffing.
Check out what this thing's called, Travelator. Have you ever seen that before?
Hi. Annie. Quit being a brat. Okay, bye, buddy. Yes, I still see your head poking out. Oh no, that's Ginger. My mom's phone is stuck under the bed. I have an idea. Got it. I don't know how I didn't think of that sooner.
Oh, he jumped out.
Alright. Come on, Ringo! Come on, Ringo! Come here, Ringo! 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 Come here, Ringo! Yeah, come here! What? What? Is the ball there? I don't see a ball. Oh, I'm sitting on it. You want this? Go get it! Go get it! Go get it! Oh, sorry, Ginger! Hi, darlings. Come here, Ringo. Ringo, up. Ringo! I see you. I see you. No, out of the bathroom. I don't want you to eat the toilet paper. Come on, out. Come on. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Ha, ha, ha. Don't want to break the bed. Good girl. Good girls. Up. Come on, Ringo. You can do it. I believe in you. Apparently you don't. Come here, Annie. Do not mount her. Hi. No. No. You tired of that? Annie? No. 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 Annie, quit. Annie. Quit. Quit. Hi, Lilies. Hi, Lily. Annie. Hi. Oh. Oh, hi.